Salutations to all of you. Life is no smoother for anyone. This is the common denominator. Numerator may be varying from person to person. Some X may be rich. He may be living in palatial building. Y may be very poor. He is living on the shed near the footpath or near the railway platform. But the pain, misery, problem, suffering is same for X and Y, but numerator may change. His social status may change. Other person may identify X as a different man and Y as a different man. But the basic denominator is the same. No one is exempted from pain, misery. Each one of us will have our own dark sides. It may be due to the earlier datas we carry for several years, and the datas we add very often now and then, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. But the addition of data may be due to conscious addition, willful addition, or the addition owing to consequential or due to the acts of others which influences our behavior. However, we add to the data. Data are already there because of already stored data, memory, previous actions. What we are now, it indicates that we also add now, tomorrow, day after, so that we will continue to hold the same data-based personality, or we change our personality and live differently. That all depends upon us. So the problem is a common factor. As I have already told you, no one is exempt from that. Because of the problems, because of the sufferings, because of the circumstantial happenings, those events, those moments will make us to go low, think low, whatever may be our social status. We are bound by the emotions and feelings. Whoever he is, he may be X or he may be Y, but the emotions, feelings will not leave us. Because of the sufferings, we are not able to wait through life. So we will be demotivated, and we often feel sorry for the life itself. Why these things will happen? Because of the one important aspect, fear. Fear is the element of the present crisis, or a problem, or a situation. What is fear? Like any other emotion, fear is also one of the emotions. Whether fear is always bad, it is not always bad. Fear is good, provided we take cue from the actions and consequent results happened on our actions, and the results paves us to correct us. The fear is very good. because we will be taking good direction towards north to improve our future life based on the fear created out of our own results of the actions. But fear is bad when it is brooded within too much of itself. Fear is bad when others invade us. If other invades us just because we are under the influence of fear, then real fear will give its ill effects. Others will take undue advantage of our fear element. Then what is the solution for this? How to come out of this fear? Charity begins at home. When fear is arised, when we counter a situation where fear crops up, pops up, you are the only person there and the element of fear. Yourself and fear are in existence. Nobody is there and no other things are there. You will be under the imprisonment of the element of fear completely. You as if treat yourself is surrender to the fear. No, we should not think that way. You should become tough for the time. Though it is easy to say, it is difficult to practice. But at times of fear, it won't come to our mind. We lose our individual thinking capabilities at the time of element of fear is raised within us. However, since you are the only person and the element of fear, two entities are in existence, you should rise. You should only give a result. You should only take first aid, and you should only infuse certain basic positivities within yourself. Otherwise, you will collapse. How to do this? How to come out of fear? To come out of fear, there are so many things available for us. First thing, first aid is infuse. Don't become panic. Just relax yourself. Apply certain available positive inputs, whatever is available, just without becoming panic. Infuse certain positivity as a first aid to treat yourself is very much involved. And you should also, as a second step, you should also explore yourself that you have got certain inherent ideas within yourself so that you can slowly come out of the panic button. What are those intrinsic ideas that helps you to come out of this panic? First one is, problems happen to everyone. No one is free. Like that, it has also come to you. Problems are not that big. Problems are very small compared to your personality. You are the great entity wherein a problem is a small entity which you can face and combat it and harness it and come out successful. This idea, second idea, has to be taken to your mind. Third idea. Problems may not change my life. I can change the problem. I can convert the problem into a solution. That is the third technique. You have to apply yourself. Idea which is already inherent in you has to be put forth before you and re-infuse in your minds. Number 4. You are a great personality. You are able to solve so many problems in the past as well. You could do it. Why not now? Having a great personality and having solved so many problems or came out successful from situations in the past, you are able to come out successful now also. Why are you getting worried so much on this? This is the next idea, inherent idea, which needs to be re-infused in your mind. Next, anything good or bad comes to an end. It has to come to a logical end. Like that, present situation, present circumstance, present crisis will also come to an end. However, that is good or bad. You make up your mind that it will come to an end. You are not coming to an end. The crisis will come to an end. That needs to be re-infused into yourself. Next idea is, though you are introverted, you may be introverted or you may be extroverted. You may be a social being or you may be a separate personality where you don't want to mix up with the society, a reserved personality. However, if problem comes to you, whatever may be your personality, there are some people for you to help. You just explore that. Seek the help. There are some people, at least there is a person for you to help you and come out. Don't think that you are alone. If you are thinking that you are alone, you will be imprisoned with the fear, jail of fear. So you have got so many for you to help you and to come out successfully. Ultimately, when life has given me so many things, and I may have to, even if this problem is solved, tomorrow some other new problem may crop up. Day after tomorrow some other new problem may crop up. If such being the case, if you go on thinking that you are finished, you are completely come to an end, if you think like that, you cannot face the life. These are the experiences. If crisis comes, treat a crisis, a problem, a situation as an experience, a small experience, a small course in a university. You should be able to complete so many things in life. You have got a long way to go. That is why you take this as an experience and learn from the experience. Don't repeat the actions which has led you to the situation now. You correct the situations so that these situations will not recur in future, so that you cannot controvert or you cannot get the same set of situation in future. Life is no smoother, of course, yes, but we should make our life to suit, to tailor to our requirement for our own well-being. enjoy your materialistic life and be a responsible householder, a professional, a human being at large. Take care. Namaste.